Your Worship, the nature of the offense before court is a non-violent. We have not been given the charge sheet, but to the best of our knowledge, the offenses have to do with libel and offensive communication. The bail application for the accused persons is brought under section 75(1) of the Magistrates Court Act. And Article 23(6) of 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Both of which essentially address the right of life or death.